1/4-inch rise hitch that I just bought for one of our work trucks, and thought I'd show you what comes in this. First, a little bit about it. Tongue weight, 1,200 pounds. It comes with a 1 7/8 ball, 2-inch ball, and a 2 5/16 ball. 2 5/16 is rated for 12,000 pound gross trailer rating on here. So first thing I noticed about it is it's substantial. This box probably weighs a solid 30 pounds. And it's aluminum. It's actually an aluminum alloy, but man, it is a heavy aluminum alloy, but it's still a lot lighter than the steels that I found. Boxed up, comes in real nice like this. Really quite solid. You'll have 2 balls that you can leave on here, and then a 3rd ball that you can have as a spare. The balls, as you can see, are held into place by these pins. So you're a solid 1/2-inch alloy pin on there. I wouldn't worry about it going anywhere at all. There's your drop receiver on there, which is actually lighter than the balls. Other nice things I saw, it comes with 2 locking pins, so I can lock this to my truck, as well as lock the ball itself to this. Comes with 4 keys. Here's my 1 7/8 ball. I don't really tow a lot with that size. And another pin, cotter pin. So that's really all that's in the box. No instructions, but do we really need instructions for a hitch like this? This is going to go down into here. So I'll lock this into place. Along in here. And then we've got 1 additional pin here for safety. And we'll just slap the cotter through there. And this will go into the receiver. We'll run outside just a second and slap it on the truck. Again, I'll hold the box. It's empty now, a little bit easier to deal with. Uriah products. That's www.uriahproducts.com. Easily adjustable. So if I do want to swap out, let's say I've got a 2-inch trailer to carry that day, just gonna pop my cotter pin, pull that pin, unlock that. So it's in the orientation right now for a 2 and 5. Just flop it over and I'm in the orientation for a 2. Again, I don't want a 2. I want a 1 5/8. Simply pull that pin, pull that off, stick my 1 5/8 in there, and reattach the pin. So now I've got a, 1 7/8 and a 2 5/16. Real happy so far with how solid this feels, and thought it was a good purchase. Found this, I believe, on eBay, and the mid-hundreds range. Don't remember exactly how much, maybe 150, 160, somewhere around there. And this would actually be easier to switch out if it was sitting on hanging on your truck and not sitting in your lap. So there you are. We've got it reassembled, and I'll show you the installation of the truck. All right, we've got it installed here. I do have a larger receiver than a 2, so I bought an adapter, stuck it in there. Like I said, real easy to adjust whenever it's on the truck. Just key in. Okay, tough to do with one hand. Pop that out, pin out. Move this pin down, and I can adjust this either up or down as needed. So very happy with the purchase, and feels very solid. I'm going to stick this spare hitch ball in here, the 2-inch, for whenever we need that. And hey, hope you like this product as much as I do.